Sorry bro, your lawn's getting squished. I ain't wrecking lights. So yeah, if I put that axle weight transfer in, weights on the front drive axle, and that the tail swing amplifies quite a bit on this thing, and because the ring feed is right on the arse of this chassis, it kind of throws the trailer way out to start with, if you could imagine. I should be focusing a bit more, eh? Like, I've heard this place is pretty fucking tight. But I should be fine, I hope. Power divider in. Get away from those trees. Oh fucking hell, bro. She's not nice. Fuck, that was like a millimeter off. Fucking better not wreck my lights, boy. So it should be 22 heifers here. That'll give me 42. Head straight for Auckland. Beauty. Right. What I'm gonna do is hang pretty close to the fence. I'm gonna put my weight transfer in now. And back up on it a bit. Fucking rubbish pile over there. I think we're all good, whanau. Pray nothing's in the grass. Ah, fucking hell, that was loud. Easy. Alright, take that out because it's a lot of weight on the front axle. Windows down for this one, team. Now watch where all the hazards are. Oh, fucking hell, that was close. Gotta lessen the angle a bit on that trailer while I can. Fuck. I'll just go for a walk, team. Go check. So I'm pretty well good, but can't. It's almost there. Ah, you fucker. Oh, good. Oh well, we're all done, whanau. Come close to a side swipe on that one. Poor old 135. Hey, why are you skidding? This branch up here. She's quite low and smokes the lights on the trailer, so what I will do is hang close to this fence as I can. The last second. Hopefully miss that post. Fuck, I can't see it at all. Must be all good now. Oh, see, it's scraping the fucking aerial. Oh, lovely. Just missed the post with the overhang on the trailer on the front. Fuck, that was close. A few surprises in the grass down there. Please, please, please don't wreck my lights. I think that's the hard part done. We're clean sailing now. Sorry whanau, the camera's probably shooting around like a bloody... like a ADHD hyena, but... gotta make sure all my corners are covered. At the end of the day, no one else pays for the damage but me. Wrecked the bro's lawn. Rightio. We are out of here.